Man. I can't not Bilva. I bring Baldy to the World Cup 2018. Wait. I am going to make a fake emergency alert system. Wow ha 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 ha. Okay, let's go. Yes. I am here.
Stop looking at the fourth wall.
Now time to pull down the fire alarm. Now time to get out of here.
I am going to watch Caillou get grounded.
We interrupt our broadcasting to bring you this emergency action notification. This is a global emergency. Important news and information to follow. The following message is being transmitted by order of the United States government. Global Strike Command has confirmed that the 14 outbound missiles have impacted their targets in the countries of China, India, Turkey, Pakistan, Russia, Brazil, South Korea, Indonesia, and Iran. We have received reports from the United Nations and the North Atlantic Treaty Organization that there is extreme damage in those nations. The United Nations have also reported that immediately at the time of impact, a second set of multiple launches were detected from Russia, Israel, China, Belgium, Germany, Netherlands, Italy, and Turkey.
Oh no. Nuke bombs are about to explode.
Hey Rosie. Why are you home night?
Let's watch the news.
Hi and welcome to GNN News. Today 2-year-old named Rosie make a fake alert. Ian2 Gaming, can you tell me what happened?
Well, I was watching Caillou gets grounded, but unfortunately, I heard Lude's nukes coming from the house. Wait. It was Rosie who did this. Rosie, if you are watching this, you will be grounded.
Rosie. How dare you make a fake alert? That's it.
You are grounded for
8 years. Go to your room and never come out.